If you are running a business and juggling too many apps, you are likely losing money every single day. Let's change that. In this video, I am going to show you Hyphen1, a powerful AI-driven platform that centralizes your business and replaces multiple costly tools. Most business owners are stuck using a dozen different apps just to stay afloat. It's overwhelming and inefficient. Hyphen1 changes the game by bringing your communication, marketing, and operations into one single intelligent dashboard. Between WhatsApp, Instagram DMs, email, CRMs, and funnel builders, your workflow is likely scattered. This is how leads fall through the cracks. When messages are siloed across 5 different platforms, you lose speed, you lose organization, and ultimately, you lose customers. If you try to solve the volume of messages by hiring staff, your overhead explodes. There is a much smarter, automated way. Hyphen1 is designed to replace 5 to 10 separate subscriptions, giving you total control in one place. Imagine managing your entire business ecosystem from a single screen. That is the power of a centralized management hub. Let's look at the key features that make this platform so revolutionary for your daily operations. Connect your WhatsApp, email, SMS, and social DMs into one inbox. Never miss a lead again by responding from a single dashboard. The built-in AI employees handle customer replies, emails, and interactions 24/7. It's like having a virtual team that never sleeps. Forget hiring developers. With the drag-and-drop website and funnel builder, you can launch landing pages in minutes, zero coding required. Schedule your content across multiple platforms at once. Stay consistent and visible without the daily grind of manual posting. Billing, payments, and reporting are all built in. Run your business by the numbers with real-time analytics. Why pay for 5 different tools when you can use one? This is how you optimize your costs and scale your profit margin. By consolidating your tech stack, you eliminate subscription bloat and put that capital back into growing your company. Operational efficiency is the secret to scaling. With Hyphen1, your processes become predictable, repeatable, and fast. Don't wait until you're overwhelmed. Simplify your business and regain your time by switching to an all-in-one platform. Click the link in the description to book a free demo. See exactly how Hyphen1 works for your specific business needs. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me know. Would you use an all-in-one platform like this? I'll see you in the next video.